school too? Ayaw na niya papuntahan yung tatay niya. No. Grandma can go and teach there. Is that okay? Do you want grandma at school?
No.
Why not? Ayaw niya rin tatay niya. Ha?
Mama order ready.
Talaga na. No, grandma said she's a good teacher.
No. Do not do that.
She is.
No.
She teach you how to talk. Look at you. Allah. Your birthday is coming up. Grandma will buy your... Anong, may regalo na ba kayo?
No, all the presents are coming.
Meron ng regalo at bili. Yung sinasabi niya gusto niya.
Ah, yung Barbie? 40.
40 ba?
Bumili ako ng ano niya, ng Barbie house, 150, 170.
Kulang ko lang na 100 yun.
Barbie house?
Yung nabili niya.
Jelana, Grandma can cancel your birthday gift. Agsusudot. What you doing? Did you count that one? Thank you. Jelana, let me see. Hello, hello. Jelana, let me see this one. Are you gonna build a castle? Are you not build a castle? Hello, Des. Hello, Bisayan Dako. Are you build a castle, anak? Have grandma touch it. Oh, is that your trick? Galing-galing na. Oh, it's gonna fall, it's gonna fall. Don't. Naglinis daw kayo sa labas? Marami kayong nilinis sa labas? Pwede pa ba? Magtanim? Malamig na.
Tama sa ano. Yung namumulaklak doon. Yung orange, iba yung nandun.
Oo.
Marami akong nilagay doon.
Pwede pa bang magtanim? Malamig na.
Tama lang.
Oh, wow. That's an open house.
Mabuhay na
Two
pagka.
more left.
Okay.
2 more left.
3 more?
Yes.
Ayan. Hello, MJ. Hello, Des.
Kasi nagpuro siya ng mga
Oh. Titigas na naman. Yeah.
binalisan ko parang
Oh.
tumubo.
Apa yan na ni Maysa? Yung Maysa. Jade, where's Jolene? Oh, really? What happened?
Oh, the flute. And you were.
Oh. Oh, you hurt her feeling, huh? Oh, look what that grandma did.
No. Okay, here is the
I like your shirt. Let me see your shirt. Ang ganda naman nito.
Binili mo ba yan?
Yung sa ano niya, yung ano ba ito? Sa... Can I see your shirt, anak? Can you show me, anak? Can I